Hi, everyone. There's another threat out there that way too often stops us from doing what we know we want to do or becoming what we know we want to become. And it is also invisible. It's called comfort. When I was 13 years old, my brother Albert gave me a book called The Prophet by Khalil Gibran. And here's what Khalil Gibran says about comfort. Comfort, that stealthy thing that enters the home a guest, and then it becomes a host, and then a master, and then it becomes a tamer, and with a hook and a whip, it makes puppets of our larger desires. Here's my interpretation of that, but it's not just my interpretation, it's my own experience. Comfort turns into complacency, and complacency turns into procrastination, and then before we know it, procrastination turns into the black hole of neglect. But here's what else I've learned. The purpose of life is not to rest or to do those things that we have fun doing and to just have a good time. The purpose of life is to do and to create and to become. When we work on what matters to us, then our leisure time feels well deserved. So there you have it. If you feel uncomfortable when you're working towards your goals, and it doesn't matter if they're personal or professional, if you feel uncomfortable while you're working towards them, but you also feel joyful and recharged, then those are some clues that you're on the right track. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.